Muslims in Indonesia celebrate Eid al-Adha. Israeli forces attack Palestinian worshippers in Al-Aqsa. Turkish soldiers in Turkey after erected of Nigeria. Top US diplomat hails safe zone agreement with Turkey. Turkey neutralizes two PKK terrorists in North Iraq. Haftar agrees to UN call for truce in Libya. Syria regime and Russian attack kills two civilians in Idlib. Yemen accuses UAE of COP in Aden. Refugees huge challenge for Turkey, says EU official. US Muslims raise $13,000 to raise detained migrants. Germany's Muslim call for an Islamophobic commissioner. Floods kills 98 and displays thousands across India.